How to find BitGet wallet address. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can find BitGet wallet address. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your BitGet application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. So once you're logged in, you will land on your home page. On your home page, there you'll see a bunch of menus right there. There you have to tap on more. After that, you will land in this interface where you will get additional options or menus. So from here, you have to select deposit option and then tap on it. Before you proceed with this steps, make sure that your account is verified or you have completed the identity verification process on your identity or in your profile. So after you are verified, once you land on the select coin interface there, you can use the search bar to find the cryptocurrency that you wish to deposit. That may be your USDT or BTC. So for now, I will just say towards USDT. Then you'll be asked to choose the network. So from here, you have to choose your preferred network. Once you choose your preferred network, your deposit address will be displayed there. There you have to copy it to your clipboard and then you can share it later. But you will only see the deposit address and QR code if you have completed the identity verification process in your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.